All right, this is reorder paragraphs, practice number 12. And this one right here, we've done this in class. This is one of the examples that I use in class. So right away, because I see they and I see they again, this is the trap we're gonna be using to make pairs. So if you take a look here, it says they can learn to avoid shouting, okay? So that's gotta be people. Can't be a thing. They can learn to avoid shouting. That's talking about people. Let's take a look here. They can purchase. So this is also talking about people because oftentimes they can represent something, but this has got to be talking about people. And they can purchase and they can learn. I don't know if they're talking about the same people. So let's just go and look for sentences that have people in them. Okay, so let's check here, here, and here. And there it is. There's one that says people and one says consumers. There you go. Now, right away, I see the one that links with consumers because who else would purchase? So I'm going to put these two together, consumers, and they can purchase. That's got to be a link right here. Okay. And then this one has the word people. And are they buying? No, they just become less noisy and they can learn to avoid shouting. I think these two are stuck together, right? These two are together because they and the people, and they're both not buying anything, okay? So done. So we have a pair here with these people and another pair here with consumers. So that's 2 points. Now let's take a look at the last one here. And this one, we want to apply apples and oranges. What do I mean by that? Because we have to finish one topic before we can go on to another topic. So we have one topic talking about what they can buy and another topic talking about what they can do to prevent being noisy, but not buying anything. So let's look at this one right here if they're talking about something they can buy or something they can do. And from the things that they're listing out, carpet, hardwood flooring, cork, fabric, it seems like these are things you can buy for your house. I would say this is connected to the consumers. So I'm going to put these three together, part of the consumers. And then I'll change the color and I'll put these two together. Okay, so if we number them, I'll put X1, X2, and then this is going to be C1, C2, C3. And now when you look at it, there's only two sentences that have the possibility of going first. The reason is because we don't have anything above it. And that's the C1 and X1. Those only two. And if you look at these two, which one do you think goes first? I believe C1 because X1 starts with also. That can't go first. So that means that these three at the bottom is going to go to the top two will go to the bottom. So I'm just going to make it come all the way down here, right? So if you notice, I have consumers linked to they. And they continue talking about things that they can buy for the house, such as carpets. Okay, and then now they have the also to introduce something else, a new topic. And now this is what people can do rather than buy. And this they is connected to those people. That's what I see as the connections, and that's how I put them in order.